Oh, thank you for watching our seafood extravaganza. This is, look, check it out. This one, scallops. And then we have snow crab. Beautiful snow crab. Beautiful snow crab. Water boiling. Water boiling. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take this Hawaiian salt, and put in there. See? Put in there. Hawaiian pink salt. You can put good amount, you know? Oh yeah. Very cool. Very cool. And then lemon pepper, I have some left. And then trash. It's gonna oh. Next one. Next one. Oh, very nice. This one. Then next we have Maggi veggie cubes. Cube. And you want to kind of crush it and spread it out. Very nice. Now, oh, we have Old Bay, chick. Old Bay. Where's it? It's okay. So now. We're gonna put crab. Snow crab, see? Very nice. See? Very cool stuff. Yeah. So now I'm gonna find Old Bay. Oh, Old Bay. Old Bay, see? Old Bay seasoning. We're gonna put in some. Put more. Okay, this is good. This seasoning amazing for seafood. Oh, crazy. So now this is gonna boil, and now we're gonna hook up the scallops, see? Like that. And then we're gonna come over here. Grill, we have the Foreman grill, Ah, so hot. Oh, so hot. But that's how grills are. They get hot, see? Now, we're gonna grab coconut oil. Oh. So amazing. This is very good, Stop, see? This is, you can get at Costco. Or online probably also. So now, I'm gonna grab these scallops and throw them on. Oh yeah. Very beautiful scallops, very beautiful. And you can put more. Let's see. Also, this is more coconut oil. See, coconut organic. Great for cooking smoothies and salads. Okay, very cool. See fish. You know, sometimes we be fishing, sometimes for fun. See, show now the crabs. Oh, very nice. Now, check it out, scallops. We're gonna close, you know, with the big Foreman lid. and make a little hole. Kind of, you don't want it to be completely closed. And temperature, you want low temperature. Thank you for watching and have a good one. Thank you. Peace.